In this video we see how impulse is related to momentum. So if we consider a golf club hitting the ball, it applies a force, the ball moves away with a velocity v, the ball was at rest beforehand. So the force is F, velocity of the ball after the collision is u, and it's 0, and afterwards is v. And during the collision, the force applied to the ball causes an acceleration. So we've got standard equations here that F equals ma. And then if we substitute for A equals V minus U over T, then we get F equals M brackets V minus U over T. And that can be simplified. Multiply both sides by T, you get Ft equals M brackets V minus U. And then expanding those brackets, we get Ft equals Mv minus Mu. Now Ft is what we defined impulse to be, the product of force and time. Mu is initial momentum. Mv is final momentum. So Mv minus Mu is the change in momentum of the ball. And so what we find then is the idea that impulse is equal to change in momentum. So that's how the two ideas are linked. That means they actually have equivalent units, so Newton seconds are equivalent to kilogram meters per second. They can be used interchangeably.